Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to assemble a pre-built bed frame for your bed. As you can tell, I have all of the parts laid out on the carpet behind me, and this looks very simple. There are 7 steps in the instructions. I thought I was having to put this entire footboard together when I bought this, but it's essentially done with the 2 drawers in it. Obviously, you can get bed frames that are much simpler, but for what we're getting with the 2 drawers at the end and a really nice looking bed frame for the money, it's kind of hard to beat. So I'm going to show you guys how to put this together if you want a cost-effective bed frame for your room. So for the first step in this process, I already went ahead and laid out everything as the directions told me. So I have the headboard upside down, and there's even markings on this. This is part B. There's a letter B on the back side of the headboard, meaning that this lines up exactly like it should with those 2 holes. And with the supplied hardware, the locking washer and the washer, I can go ahead and assemble this one side. All right, and with all 4 of those done, the next piece is to take this cross piece here and line it up with both of these holes on each side. Now it looks like I'm going to take the side with the D and put that on the back side, so that way you won't see it from the front. And again, with the supplied hardware, we can go ahead and bolt this one into place. And with the headboard done, we're going to move on to the footboard, where there are these 2 feet. There's 2 spots on the underside of it labeled F, and it says to put those in, and we're just going to screw those in like we're attaching the rest of the screws. For the next step, it is time to take the header and the footer and combine them using these massive side rails. These are also labeled which side of the bed that they need to go on. And for this install, we now have these wooden dowels. I'm going to put in the upper hole, the lower hole there. They're going to line up with the holes on the outside of this. And then there's this black plate on the inside that you can see that these screws are going to go through in order to connect this to the footboard. Then I'm going to do the same thing to connect it to the backboard. So I made a minor mistake. I had to flip both of these side pieces around, so that way these supports here were towards the headboard. That's what these next pieces are going to rest on. So we're going to have these going across. We have all these screws in order to screw those into the sides, and then all the foot posts need to be screwed in to the bottoms of all of these. And then last up, all we need to do is slide all these in place, and we can put the mattress right on top of this. And just like that, the bed is now complete. It really wasn't that hard of a project. A little bit difficult because some of these parts are very heavy, so make sure you have a second hand to help you get this bed into your room and get it squared away. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video putting together this pre-built bed. Comment down below and rate how well I made this bed. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a huge thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to our channel so you guys don't miss out on our daily uploads, and I will see you all in the next video.